At All Media Restoration, we want you to understand the photo restoration process. It all starts when we scan your original image. While we can restore any digital image, it's our preference to work from originals. The reason is simple. By scanning in your submissions, we can control aspects like resolution, size, and the number of pixels per inch. In this example, we are scanning a 2" by 4" black and white photo. This photo size is far too small to do any effective photo restoration, so we'll increase the dots per inch to 600. We'll also adjust the levels to darken the image and increase the contrast. Next, we'll sharpen the image and remove most of the image damage. Now it's time to remove the color and return the image to its true black and white state. Before beginning the color process, we have to again correct the contrast and exposure. Now, we can begin adding color to the image. We begin by coloring the face and skin. Then, we add color to the clothing, as well as other parts of the photo. Now, the real magic begins. To get a true realistic look to the image, we need to go to our proprietary image library. Using digital images to replace photograph sections is tricky and requires years of experience to create a believable result. With the matching wheel selected, we can now add them to the image and blend them in to look realistic. From here, we continue the coloring process until we finally arrive at the finished image. One question we always hear is, what can you restore? The answer is, almost anything.
What if the picture is ripped or in pieces?
No problem. As long as nothing is missing, we can restore it.
What about weathered, cracked or blurry images?
We've got you covered. In most cases, we can restore the image to like new condition.
But my pictures are really big. Can you handle that?
You bet. If you can get it to us, we can restore it, no matter what size it is. Here are just a few reasons why you should choose All Media Restoration. We get your restoration done quickly, with the shortest turnaround possible. We have over 25 years of editing and photo restoration experience. We know how to deliver outstanding restorations. And all at affordable rates, guaranteed to put a smile on your face. Still skeptical? Check out these results for yourself. All Media Restoration. We're the clear choice for all your restoration needs. For more information, just call the number on the screen. Or better yet, visit us online. All Media Restoration. Bringing your memories to life.